Hello, and thank you for visiting our YouTube channel for Training for Survival, T4 Survival, and Alpha Krav Maga. My name is Jamie Arut. I am the owner and chief instructor. We provide the absolute best in Krav Maga, self-defense training, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, ground fighting, firearm tactics, and defensive tactics that can save your life. Two large events that happen in the North Woods of Maine at our training center. They are the T4 Survival, Krav Maga, and Firearm Camp. They're a life-changing event. Watch some of the videos, read some of the testimonials. As you're going through our channel, if you have any questions, feel free to go over to our website, t4survival.com. You can start a live chat with us and speak to either myself or one of my other instructors, or you can fill out a contact us form and kind of give us a little bit of feedback. Maybe there's some video content you would really like us to create and to answer some questions you might have. Again, thanks for visiting. I hope you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video, or hopefully at a training event really soon.